going on, boys? Today we're gonna make a hype beat for Che. We're gonna do something kind of like cut off your hands. Let's get right to it. Throw it up if you got bands. Alright, boys, so first things first, we're gonna set our BPM. For these kind of beats, you want to keep your BPMs around 130 to about like 150. That being said, let's do 140. Somewhere in the middle, you know. And for your melodies, you want to use plugins like Hive or Serum, basically anything with like really crispy sounds in it. So Hive is really good for that. Let's go to poly leads and let's just find some sort of like synth type sound. Maybe this, I might change it, but it's kind of cool. For our scale, we're in C minor, so we're gonna stick with that, and we're just gonna go 1 2 3 4. We're gonna go 4 notes up from the root right here, and we're gonna go 1 up, paste this through, and now we have our bass notes for our chords. And now I'm just gonna make like a minor 7. Skip every second note. You know what I'm saying? This type. I'm just gonna diminish that, take this out. Let's just copy these down. Let's just try a different sound. This one's kind of wavy though. Yeah. We're gonna rock out with this. That's super crispy. And now let's get some sort of like poly lead, maybe a mono lead, and we're gonna make kind of like an ARP out of it. Maybe something like this. I might change the sound though. I don't know. Let's just paste this through. Yep. I'm just gonna layer that first synth sound. Try one of my presets. This one right here, Maddie. This one's goated. Actually, no, we're gonna use this one instead. Okay, now we need it to add like a little texture. Let's go back into Hive and let's get some sort of. We need like a synth here. Maybe something like this. And then we're just gonna take our first chords right here. Just hit Command C, paste them in here. Let's just extend it. We're gonna change the sound. Let's go to keys and classics. Yeah, let's just try a different chord. That one doesn't really fit. Let's try this one right here. Yeah, we're gonna stack it with an ARP. This one's goated. Wait, which one? Goated ARP. Yup, right here. We're just gonna use these like top notes as our guide. Okay, I want like one more kind of lead type. Let's go to Xenology. We're just gonna follow our like chord notes here. Hold on, I'm just gonna change that sound. We want something kind of weird. I think we're good on the melodies right now. I'm just gonna add all of them to the mixer, and I'm gonna add a little melody master. I'm gonna go over here, route to this track only. I'm gonna go to my kit. I'm gonna grab this melody light master. Basically, just add a little compression and just a little bit of effects. All right, so let's get started on the drums. Let's get a clap. We want these like super loud, and I'm gonna show you at the end like a good master for these kind of beats. Let's get a hi-hat. And let's add some rolls. Get some snares. We got a triple right here. Let's add an open hat. I want to get a chant, you know, one of those. Get another perk. I want a bell. Let's get an 808 now. And for our 808, we're going to be using 808 Machine by Unison. And this thing's goated. It basically makes like new 808s every single time. You can set the parameters right here. There's a couple different ones, and then hit the slot, and it's basically going to cook up a fresh 808 for you. We're going to lay out our pattern and then go through a couple more. Let's just follow our root notes right here. Boom. Let's just pitch this down. Let's take these notes. So we're going to take those notes and we're going to paste them into a different 808. Let's go back to Unison 808 Machine. Let's hit the slot. See what we can get. That's kind of weird. See what we get. No, we don't want it. We don't want that. Yeah, put up the sustain. I want to add that like mind sound effect. This one, yeah, let's go. Another chain right here. Let's add a kick. Let's add a kick. I'm gonna go to my me and me kit. Actually, let's go to my med kit. I think there's one called slap. Yeah, and let's just follow our 808 pattern, copy it, paste it right here, hit Alt or Option K, and then make sure it's set to right here. If you drag it like this, make sure it's set to C, and basically put all your notes into C. I just want to change the sound right here, this ARP kind of sound. Just mute some of these so we can hear what we're doing. I like this one. Yeah, we're gonna add that note. That's the missing piece right there. It's the missing element, the fifth element. You know what I'm saying? Whoever's seen that movie, The Fifth Element, go to. Okay, I think we add another snare, bro. This is where we cook. As my camera overheated, I don't know where it cut out, but basically we're gonna arrange our beat now. I might spit a little freestyle. I'm gonna take all these drums right here and let's add them to the mixer. Let's go to 15, hit Shift Command L. I'm gonna show you guys this master. We're gonna add OTT. OTT on the master sounds crazy, but trust me. And we're gonna add a soft clipper. Put this depth to like, I don't know, like 12. We're trying to spit a quick little 4-bar. Let's see what we can do.
The way to the bank. Evil Empire, laughing all the way to the bank.
Throw up your hands in the bank. Throw up your hands in the bank. Throw up your hands in the bank. Throw up your hands in the bank. Yeah, throw up your hands in the bank. Throw up your hands in the bank. I ran it up, I admit. Save out the hip. 31 shots to the bed. 31 shots to the bed. 31 shots to the dick. 31 shots as a hit. 31 shots I hit. I ran it up, I admit. I ran it up, I admit. I ran it up, I admit. I did the 6 to the hit. They wanna throw up a fit.
Your boy snapped, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what else to say, but yo, throw up your hands in a band, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like and check out Unison 808 machine. If you guys use my link, which is in the description, you guys will get 50% off. If you guys are looking for some new sounds, check out the kit store. Go get my Me and Me drum kit, my Xenology bank, or whatever sounds you're looking for, you know what I mean? I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.